Every night, we spend about a third of our lives doing absolutely nothing. We close our eyes, lie still, and surrender to unconsciousness. From the outside, it looks like wasted time, but inside your head, something extraordinary is happening. For centuries, scientists asked, if sleep makes us so vulnerable, why did evolution keep it around? Couldn't nature have designed creatures that never needed to sleep at all? The answer, it turns out, lies deep inside the sleeping brain. When you fall asleep, your brain doesn't shut down, it cleans up. Neurons replay the day's events, strengthening useful connections and pruning the weak ones. Meanwhile, glial cells, your brain's janitors, wash away toxic waste like beta amyloid, which builds up when you're awake. It's like running a nightly maintenance program for your mind. Sleep also rewires your memories. In deep sleep, facts are filed into long-term storage. In REM sleep, where dreams occur, your brain creatively mixes information, helping you solve problems and spark new ideas. That's why sleeping on it often works. Miss a night of sleep and your attention, memory, and mood collapse. Go longer and your immune system weakens, your metabolism falters, and your risk of disease skyrockets. Sleep isn't optional, it's biological upkeep. So, why do we sleep? To remember, to forget, to heal, to dream. Sleep is the time when your body repairs and your mind becomes itself again. It's the most powerful performance enhancer we all get for free, if we just close our eyes. So tonight, when you drift off, remember, you're not losing time. You're investing in tomorrow's version of you.